don't know why. Okay, members,
Yes, yes.
here, the farm, our farm, this farm is called the Jamestown farm. Altogether, and the system is intensive system. Okay? This is the sow. Sow is a pig which has, small pig which has already produced. And the large white. The what?
Large white.
The other one, the cross. We did crossbreeding. We wanted to show you that even in pigs we do cross. So we crossed the Europe and the large white. We got that the male. Then the next house we also crossbreed. Then the last one, we have brought to show you how a Europe pig looks like. The color of the Europe. The Europe pig is the pure breed of its own. Are we together? Now, our pigs here, we do not eat grass. They eat a complete ration. Complete feed. We buy milk, bring milk bran, and then we mix the process. Are we together? Have you seen that nigger?
The teacher is bored again. I'm not getting the teacher. Teacher is bored.
Napana kwa kufuria na kwa kufuria na kwenye naenda kuyole nakota kachua nakota juu
but because animals don't take drugs water, we have decided to use the water. But they can also use the water soluble plants that you can go and use it immediately in the water. Because this water is clean. It is not the water that you just expose. Then the prevention of the sickness that is there, then you have African swine fever. Yes. That up to today, the medicine is not. That one there, it is a we carry. You can carry yourself, you can carry via food, and you can carry it via a good-handed person. That you know, my neighbor, my pig is on the heat. So please let me also pass bring and serve me, or you take you on the other side. That's how we can carry this dangerous sickness called the African swine fever. Because if you have kept your pig here, how can this disease come? Every time it is inside. We are the ones who kill it. Is what? These animals with the African swine fever. In the food that we eat, in the food that we collect from maybe schools or hotels, you don't know what the people are eating. And even you can even like that one there, you can be put some poisonous substance in that food you grab and drink. You find a pig has died. That my pig has died. I don't know. Consider that kind of feeding. It is good, but you must be very, very, very careful. So that is on treatment. Treatment you cannot just when they are healthy like this. You cannot admire people. You cannot admire people. What you need to know, you also have time for your happiness. This kind of communication, you are in Kampala, the family is in Uganda. How is that? How are they? Okay, they are fine. You don't know. By the time you come to check your animals, you say that this is I rather leave this one. This is business. No, let us have diet for our animals. Come which qualities? Me, I'm busy. Now, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Which qualities?
hari abandi bonzi bukere bashaka gukora projet iyi.
If you want to begin very well, you can still begin with this one, but this one takes much time. But if you want to learn and take much time, you can begin with this one. But a beginner who wants serious business can buy the other one of 6 months, buy that one which has maybe given birth followed once, so that one you don't struggle. You can serve it very fast and it conceives for you. But this one here, you need to put in much of attention, feed the water,
Feeding treatment,
like that. Begin with something that you can kick off with so easily. Now, this one here is for those who have been in the business. I want to change. I want to get another female. I want to change another boy. I have an old one there, so you can buy this one here and take to the existing project.
but for the beginner, you are supposed to begin at this with those which are mature.
That is a mature one that you can not stress yourself. Like with the sickness, okay, that one has been maybe fallen sick, maybe and he has now matured. It is now mature. It is resistant now. With the feeding, a big one, that one if you completely feed like the other one, 3 kilograms. But we consider giving it a dry. Yeah, you can have a half in the morning, then a half in the evening. Why we give that interval? Because at least you can have maybe grass like this one here, which you have planted near your garden. You can go and cut that grass in the other half. You can put it in the middle there, as it is waiting for the other half. It will eat that one there. Not for us who wait and then bring one, maybe the other people who can feed the animals at 5. Then you bring all the 3 kilograms at 5. Then the pig struggles with that feed. Or you bring in the morning. You can see. Then the pig crushes it. By now it is not there. So you have to also balance it. That's how we can manage and maintain this project very well. But what you need to put in mind is the concentration of the food content, I mean the ingredients in your feed, because I was sharing with my father here. We have a feed there that I was telling them how to mix it according to the age. It is down there. I was showing them the mixture.
So excuse me, I wanted to ask you about feeding of these piglets after when they have come from their mother.
When they have weaned them off.
When they have weaned them off. I want you to explain for me their feeding habits. How should you feed them?
Okay, like now when you have just weaned them off.
And you are going
a
to start
small pig, a piglet, after weaning them 2 months, they are supposed to eat 3/4 of the feed a day. 3/4. 3/4 a day. Okay, let me tell you, in a 100% of life of a pig is what I'm telling you. It is varies with the age. Like this one here, it is 100% water. So you are beginning to apportion now food. That's why when you introduce 3/4, you are portioning 3/4 as food, then the rest is water. Now you are raising right now. When you feed that one there 3/4 as a pig from 2 months. Yeah.
One out of 3.
You put this 3.
1 out of 3. 1 out of 3.
Like this.
So, at this 3/4, if you can compute it, is 0.70 75. That is 3/4. You measure it. This is, a half is 0.5.
0.5.
So, as they grow, when they reach 3 months or 2 months, okay, 3, like the other one, there is 3 months there.
Which one? Now this one is 4 many months.
1.
Just only 1 month.
This is 1 month.
Really?
That's why they're still with their mother. They're still suckling.
So you mean this one they can't be fed by like askers? What?
No, they eat the feed. They have started learning. They eat what you have given the mother. For them, there is no ratio.
It's like they are learning to eat.
They are learning to eat. That's why right now, when you are giving to the mother, you have to add something
Extra
for them. These are not yet. So what I'm giving you, it is the one that you have removed. You have weaned off.
Because for me, I'm having the one that's having 2 months.
Now. So then when they reach 3 months, you add to 1. You just jump to 1 kilo.
When they reach to how many months?
3 months.
3 months. You give them 1 kilo.
1 kilo. 1 kilo.
Of what kind?
Now, not rice husk. We are talking
about food.
Feed. If he's talking about feeding, that's what I'm giving him. 1 month. 1 kilogram per day each.
At 2 months.
At 3.
3 months.
3.
But what about serving them? Just pick 1 kilo and you pour once, or you divide that kilo?
You have. If there are 2 in a pen or 3 in a pen, each one has to have 1. So you have to divide. If there are 2 kilograms, you give them share 1 in the morning, then 1 in the afternoon. But you must have water which is clean provided. A clean water is not the water that you pour out. The water that you pour in the container or in the jerrycan, that one is not water. That one is just water that is for bathing or cooling the body. That's why most of the time you just pour, as you are pouring, they are knocking it down. That is not water for drinking. But the water for drinking is supposed to be hidden. Like you see, first get from that jerrycan. It is a water nipple jerrycan. This water is supposed to be hidden here. They are supposed to only to know that the water comes from here.
Now how do they drink from there?
I've seen one of them drinking there.
They are drinking.
I've seen they are drinking yellow. You saw them.
You can introduce, like even yours that have grown.
Because me, I'm having now 2. Just have started them.
So
they are like this type.
You starting them. You better shift the drinking. If the drinking is down, just shift the drinking to
this one.
It's we call it automatic. No, this is semi. You are using a jerrycan, but there is automatic that you can run in the pipe if you have water at home. That one is called automatic, but this one is semi, that you pour it, then
it's not taking from here.
So you want to know how much water can your pig take? You will calculate from here.
That one is better, yeah.
What did you have taken?
Yes,
because that one is 20 liters.
In a full day, you have poured here. You know that maybe you have to take a pour for 20 liters. Tomorrow,
you will see what is there.
You will see. Yeah? You will see, at least you know that pig has taken at least something. Like mine here, this is 12 of mine. You see, I've already spread this. The other one, the big one is for the mother.
The mother also uses here?
Yes, the mother uses that jerrycan.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
What did you use?
Yes.
Was 70 kilograms. We give them twice. Now, at what age does it start mating? Mating, like now for the male, kuberanga isobola kwetembera ino kundandikira 8, 9. Awobola abantu ensajja yo isobola okola. What about the female? The female you start at 6 less, but the good one you give to 7. 7 is far better. Which means that pigs of the same age cannot mate. They can't. Okay. Now it means now you buy this one here. You buy even that size. Now say you can at least get one. You know, pretty much that you know.
I think they mixed this one and the other one. Get this one in the middle.
This is pure Europe.
The other one.
The pure one maybe.
So they mixed this and the other one.
This one's 50% and 70% mixed when they are crossbreeding.
So which one they mix together?
Well, mister, oyo Europe ogundi yenyewe original yenyewe oba
This. But the other one 75%. Just from the father. But the other one yeah. Mama, I large white.
Kati okufuna omwatabula large white neki?
Large white ne
Europe
okufuna eno mwatabula oli nono. Meaning eyo yenu.
Yes. Ate no kati yazala no guno. Tegera. Kumama omulala tegera. Si kumama omu.
Ngati bulabika geja. Kama ntibulabika kugeja ngeri.
Noza nubujja geja ngeri.
Ambuze tubuza zino osubira zino geje tukenga ngeri.
Tulonda mu zino mwezi kati waliwo tuli kubezinga ziri mu size bwezi. Twalonda mwezi tutandika okuzifuza. Nezo tutusamu kudaya ate.
So wotakyusa tezisobola geja ngeri.
Yes. Kati tukira kati oboyagala nti ekule mango sobole okulinyira ng'amaanyi. Twongeramu ku feed. Ekiruubo kya protein kirina kubako
Pagulu.
esobole okwangu okula.
This is 2 months.
Yes, 2.5. And this zikulako just 2 weeks to 3 months.
Tekaba zonzikula mangu osinga buno.
Nedda buno bwo buli bukuluko ku buno. Nti difference ya week yotegera okusinziira ku ngeri gye baazaala. Yeah.
So osobola ku number.
Di farm nyine tayinkowa?
Farm.
Farm.
Here stock farm 0751 69 64 97. Here stock farm just one. Voli wa kombi. Nga ate breed zino. Olaba kati ku stage eyo lwaki tuvaawo ku stage eyo nti tesumbwa nga buli obuto. Naye ne buli bwoba oyagadde babukuguza.
Tikira ku namba okukira namba yawo mabiga.
25. Naye nga stage eno ekula mangu. Nti kati awo gwe kenyini osobola.
Boina bolu zizo. Man.
Mwele de kuyenga tika.
Ya kuyiwa kakirabi. Uje mwana weza kilo ngamika.
Wakiro bisatu. Sasa zitowanga nje.
Singa nente endala. Ngambo unasinga nente size endala esinga.
Waliwo erire mmere wano ganesobola okuja nega kuba nenabiramu. Naye bakanekwera wano ekifo kyomukaaga wano neteekawo ekifuba egenda okuba nga gayise wano gayebaka
Ekulinga omubiri.
wali erina genda kufuuka walikufukawo wali nekamawo
tebikola wegenda
tebikola eno bweti
okikalubiriza nnyo
nga teyina
ng'okikalubiza neefoonye bagimusa mu kaseera abaagala ogira naye etuuka esaneekoola
kati eno yabbanga ki mwaka gumu eyimuke
onsajja eruma
njagala kuwa mmere era mugiramu paka emwagazi ebyolibonaawo bisolo binyonyi ebyosi byolibonaawo